Really?
Turn it the other way. Turn it,
What are you doing, Ollie?
Jailbreaker.
You're playing jailbreaker? What are you doing, Otto?
I'm doing play button.
Oh, really? Where are we going? Are we going to have fun?
Yeah, fun.
Cheese, Gussie. Cheers. Don't make a big old mess with that, dude. Uh-oh, where are we turning?
This way.
I wonder what's this way.
No, I'm going this way.
I don't know. I thought it'd be fun.
What are we doing?
Don't know.
I'm going here, Dad.
I don't know. I thought it'd be a fun place to go.
So what are we going to do?
I don't know. I guess we'll just have to see.
Because it's a fun place, Dad.
Yeah. What is that?
A train, Dad. It's a train, Dad.
Do you want to go see that train?
Yes, Dad.
You do, huh?
Yeah, I want to, Dad.
Is this that park where the train is?
Yeah.
With the tracks?
Yeah, I've been here.
With the buttons?
Yeah, with the Vikings. I've been here.
Do you want to go inside?
Yeah, I'm going inside that train.
Are you sure?
Yeah. This is a museum.
Who wants to go see the train? Raise your hand.
Me.
Raise your hand if you want to see the train.
Me.
Oh, raise your hand if you want to spill your apple juice.
Me.
I knew you would, Gussie.